I was clutching my pulse the whole time. That girl was hurling insults at the mother, calling her ugly. I don't know. And I was like, she came from my vagina. If she came from my vagina and then calling me ugly out there, I will slap her. I am sorry. I don't care whoever she's going to call her. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie, a Kenyan YouTuber here in Italy. Another Saturday, another video. And on today's video, I wanted to talk about parenthood. Yes, parenthood, the hardest job in the world, because being a parent is something that you will have to make mistake along the way. It's something that does not come with a manual like on page 15, do this and this. Being a parent is super hard, and especially being a parent in Europe, Maju, you know. And I decided to do this video because the other day I saw a very disturbing scene when I was out and about. Yes, I saw this 12-year-old girl or 13-year-old around that age who was calling her mama all kind of bitches, and this Italian mother did not even flinch. This little girl was acting a fool. I don't know what happened between her and the mother, but nothing warrants for a child to call her mother all kind of bitches, telling her vaffanculo. In Italy means fuck you. I don't know, I will fuck you up. I will slap you. And I was like, when is this mother going to react? But the mother was super calm. Yeah, she was just continuing to work as the daughter was hurling insults behind her. And I was like, baby, this will never happen to me. My Alisa will never ever disrespect me out there in them streets, because there's a limit to everything. And a 12-year-old, you're not paying rent in my house, and whatever. I don't care what kind of disagreement you have between you and your mother, but calling your mother all kind of bitches in them streets, and I'd be there like, oh no. I was just watching the scene and I was like, if this was an African parent, that girl could have slept in the hospital and the mother in jail, because there's no way in hell an African parent can be there and their 12-year-old daughter will be calling her all kind of bitches. Ooh, I don't know what kind of calmness that Italian mother had for her daughter to call her all kind of I don't know what, and she was just there continuing to work like nothing is happening. Oh guys, I was like, I wish my daughter would. I know here in Europe there are some laws where if you mistreat your kid, they can call and then the social workers will come and take them away from you. But mistreating is something else. But slapping your daughter who is disrespecting you is another thing. Like, you know, I'm not saying kill your children. I'm not saying beat your children the way our African parents would beat us back in the days with anything that they had on their hands. If they had a rungu, they will knock you with that rungu. I'm not saying that. But a little bit of pem to let them know that you're the boss in that house is needed though. That scene made me almost jump out of my skin, and it was not my child. Me as a parent of two little Italian stroke African kids, my children, they know what time it is. I don't beat my children, but they know. When I look at them with the eye, do you remember your parent back in the day? She will look at you with that eye. When I give them that eye, they know what time it is. And I see the difference between me and their father. Their father, they will do something and he will just laugh. But me, when they do something that is not right, the eye, and I put them on time out. Like, go to your room, calm down, and then come back and say sorry. I don't usually beat my children, but they know their mama is tough, because there's no way I am bringing up children who are going to call me all kind of bitches out there. You know, there's a Kikuyu saying that goes like, Motioroga gorio monine, as in the tree should be straightened when it is little. You need to bring up your children knowing how to respect people, how to respect you, because when the tree now is big and it has roots and whatever, it's super hard for you to straighten it up. So I feel like it is the fault of these parents who let their children disrespect them out there, because when they are little and you let them do whatever they want, when they are teenagers and you know them hormones and whatever, when you are a teenager you feel like the whole world is yours. They will not respect you if you do not straighten them up when they were little. I felt sorry for that mama. I was clutching my pulse the whole time that girl was hurling insults at the mother, calling her ugly. I don't know. And I was like, she came from my vagina. If she came from my vagina and then calling me ugly out there, I will slap her. I am sorry. I don't care whoever she's going to call her. Yeah, guys, I am sweating. Can you imagine your own 12-year-old daughter calling you ugly and all those kind of names out there in them streets? What will you do, by the way? You are that kind of parent who will be like, oh my God, I'm not going to say anything. Or we just turn around and spit on your palm and slap her back to default mode. I don't know. Because me, myself, the way I know myself. And another thing that I want to say is that even if I'm their mother, that does not mean that I need to disrespect them. Because respect, you need to respect even your children for them to respect you. Because there are some mothers out here who think, oh my God, I'm your mother, I can do whatever. No, I respect my children. Even if they are little, I respect them. I try to understand their feelings. I don't dismiss their feelings. And that way, even the children, maybe when they grow up, they will respect you more. They will not call you all kind of names out there. But baby, I wish these kids would. But they're living here in Italy for more than 10 years. I've observed that most Italian parents, they let their children do whatever they want. Them kids will be swearing out there like there's no tomorrow. Them kids will be calling their mother and their fathers all kind of names. And I'm like, who is the parent here? Me or you, who is not paying rent in my house? You know, and I'm not saying kill your children. I'm not saying beat them. I'm not saying whatever. But you need to be the authority in that house. You need to tell your children, respect me because I'm your parent. I'm the one who provides for you. Up until you get your own house, you pay your own rent, you buy your own food. Don't bring that foolishness that you see with your friends out there in this house. Because it's not going to work. You prepare your child even for the world out there. Because if they respect you, obviously they will go and respect other people out there. But if they disrespect you as their parent, who tells you they're going to respect other people out there? And other people out there are not going to be lenient like you. Your child will come home with the broken teeth. You know, that is why I say parenthood is not easy, but hey, even letting your children call you all kind of hoes and monkeys and whatever, is it too much? Or I'm the one who is petty as a parent? Anyway, guys, leave your comments down below and let me know what kind of parent you are. Are you going to let your kid call you all kind of names out there and you be like that, oh yes, oh yes, or you will slap them back to default mode? Okay, let me know. And see you next time. Bye-bye.